Okay, update on Bitcoin. We've hit target. Wow. Now the count, I may alter this count now. We have more information, and let me just go to the 4-hour quickly. Been calling this since Friday. Where's Friday? Over here. Okay. Here. I was also called it on Saturday or Sunday. I was somewhere on Saturday as well where I was like, yo, we're gonna get in now. The video's up there. It will say something like, I've just bought it. I've just bought Bitcoin, something along those lines. And if I'm not wrong, it was around about 6 o'clock on Saturday-ish, yeah? Maybe just a bit before, maybe just a bit after, but I think just before or at 6. It was in this area anyway. PM-ish, yeah, in this green box. Definitely in that green box. And you can see the move that we've had since. Yeah, it looks fast because we're on a 4-hour, but it did take its time. It was moving slow. I was calling too. I was thinking, I think partials might have been here, and then I said most of the position was there, but this was my main target. Okay, and we had the 1618 drawn as well, and I said to get above there, and we've obviously obliterated that. That was down here, and we had the trend line as well. So yeah, successful trade, and now is what's next. What is next for Bitcoin? Now in here, potentially we have a leading diagonal. Give me a second. If this is not a leading diagonal, then it's 1 2s, because I mean I don't even have it marked out as one, so I couldn't have had much faith. Basically, if the 5 is shorter than the 3, there's a good chance it's a diagonal. And no, it's not. So therefore, it can only be a 1 2 1 2 1 2 or 1 2 1 2. Otherwise, it's corrective. All of this is corrective, and it is exactly this. W, X, and Y that we have here. I don't even think it's finished. I don't think it's finished. Give me a second. See this 1 to 1? Yeah, there we go. There we go. So this is what happens when you've got too much stuff in your charts. When you check it, W or W, whichever, but I think W, ABC, 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 X, looking for Y. Where we've stopped there, I don't even know if we've hit the minimum for there. No, we haven't even hit the minimum target for the Y. So expecting more upside, expecting to take out this high now. So how do we get there? Now something's telling me that this is the count. Like this. I can remove this box now. Someone's telling me that this is the count. Just gonna go in a bit more. Potentially it could be 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 3, or it could be 1 2 3. Either way, both of them leave us with 3. We got extended wave here. We got a pullback. We haven't had a significant pull down. I mean, look, that's our 2. Where's our 4? So this is most likely the 4 for this 2. Okay, and the best way to play this is, yeah, just we got the 0.618 here. If we touch that, it's not a 4th wave. And on top of that, we haven't even reached the 50 yet. So on top of that, I'm actually anticipating price to swipe this low anyway. So what I'll be doing is waiting for price to come down, swipe the low at least, and then if we maintain or do not touch the 0.618, I'll be on bias to the upside. If we touch that 618, then there's gonna be a lot of waiting. But I don't want us to touch that 618, and I don't think we're gonna touch that 618 as well. If I'm gonna be real, I'm pretty confident about this count. I just don't feel like it's a good idea to buy right now. I think we got an A wave. We're gonna get an A, B, C, and a B wave. Then a drop, then a continuation up. We got supply over here. We've come back to the 50. Alright. We came outside, came back, and we're pushing back below the 50 static on the hour time frame. If that should close lower and we close below the 50 static on the hour time frame, that's going to cause me to believe we don't go up and then come down. Currently, I do think we're going to do this. Come up, then come down. Then avoid the 0.618 like this. Then you need a break of structure. Let me just draw that again. Something like this, go down, come up like that. A, B, C. So that's our C wave. Some form of a break of structure. Hold on, let me draw that one more time. Just like this, okay? Down. Yeah, cool. Like that. Avoiding the 0.618. That will be our fourth wave. Take price higher. Okay, I do not expect it to go from where it is now, and I wouldn't try to sell it even though I'm a scalper unless we do get that price movement up there. Okay, so price comes up here. Okay, gives us signs of distributions, a break of structure, and then at that point I'll be looking at the TDI. I'm gonna want to see bearish divergence. Definitely going to want to see bearish divergence, and then a break of structure, fractal break of structure on small time frame. I will take that small stop loss over here. Okay, and yeah, that's as simple as that. There is a chance that this is A, B, C here, and we're already coming down. There is a chance of that. A, B, C, and a flat for our X or our B wave. So what I will do is I will channel the price from here as well. Beginning of our potential A to potentially the end of our B or X. Like that. And we'll see what happens. And it's either we're going to get one of two things. We're going to get this, or we're going to get this. This is how I see it. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. That's the analysis I've got for Bitcoin. Just give it some time. Let's see if we get up here or if we come down here. And then we can trade accordingly. Still bullish, still looking for buys currently. If that 618 is touched, I'm not looking for any more buys. And currently, I want to put some form of a target, even though I will come back on and probably redefine things. Currently, for a target now, you want to get above this dotted line in the middle, preferably the top of the channel, and if we're lucky, poke out, right? I still think this high here could get swept, broken through. We just have to wait and see. Yeah, that's it. That's Bitcoin. All right, I'm going to post this now. Trade safe. Peace.